Today we're making a favorite drink of mine, a Manhattan cocktail. It comes together in a flash, is a complete classic, and is dangerously delicious. It's also the kissing cousin of my very most favorite thing to drink, an old-fashioned. This is the difference. An old-fashioned will have a sugar cube soaked in bitters, gives it a nice sweetness and depth of flavor, while a Manhattan has a dash of sweet vermouth. Let's get started. First off is an optional step. I'm gonna take a little slice of orange peel, just a little one, get those oils out, so roll it around a bit, and wipe it on the rim of my glass. There we go. Just gonna add a little bit of depth to this drink. Loving it already. Okay, now we're gonna have a cocktail shaker filled with ice. 2 parts bourbon, whiskey, rye. I'm using rye today, although I love a good bourbon. And here's the deal. The sweetness from this drink, and it's not very sweet, comes from a little bit of vermouth. So 2 parts bourbon, 1 part sweet vermouth. Give it a stir. After you add in your bitters, we're gonna add in several dashes of aromatic bitters. I love these. These are Angostura aromatic bitters, and these are the orange bitters. 1 dash of those. If we were making an old-fashioned, of course, we would have soaked this sugar cube with those bitters and then muddled it up and not added the vermouth. So give it a stir until it's nice and chilled. Okay, now strain your drink into your cocktail glass that you prepared. You deserve it. And I want to talk to you about the garnish for half a moment. So this is garnished with a maraschino cherry, but this is like what you'll find at the market and most everywhere. These are not maraschino cherries. These are like red cherries in corn syrup. So, okay, they're sweet, they're fine. A maraschino cherry is actually going to be soaked in maraschino liqueur. It's a whole separate deal. I personally prefer these Luxardo cherries. They are like, oh, so just insanely flavorful. I'll take 2, and you can have them sitting in your drink, oozing out that syrupy cherry juice, or you can set them up and have them on the rim of your glass like that. Your drink is now complete. Let's take a sip. Oh my gosh. That's really good, and it's dangerously smooth too. Woo, it's like pure alcohol. That was good. Now it's your turn. It's gonna be 2 parts rye and 1 part sweet vermouth. Add some ice to your shaker. Add a couple bitters in there. Now we're going to stir until it's nice and chilled. A little slice of orange peel. We can strain this into a coupe glass or any cocktail glass you'd like. Do you have that friend that drinks a martini, but they load it up with olives like it's their dinner? Sad. I'm the person that loads mine up with cherries. I love these Luxardo cherries. There's a bunch of different brands. If you have your favorite brand of cherry, you can let me know in the comments. But for me, I will take 3 and oh my gosh, just drink, have a bite. It's a good time. Thanks so much for watching. Make this cocktail, drink responsibly. And if you like my videos, hit that like button and subscribe.